Melreepa Productions.
It was one of those days. One of those days where you expect to see dead chickens and crying women.
Amber! What the hell happened here?
I don't know. It all happened so fast.
Amber, it'll be okay.
I can't running. I love you.
Well, detective, it started when the chicken... Amber, shut the hell up. It started when the chicken crossed the road, and then it got hit by a car. No! Amber, shut the hell up, please. It's a hard time for all of us. That doesn't make sense. Why was the chicken crossing the road?
If I'm going to get to the bottom of this, I'm going to need to find the answer. But how? And where? Which way did the car go?
They had to have gone that way because it's a dead end. Right.
So off I went. Why would a chicken cross the road? Why would the chicken cross the road? I had to ask myself. Why would the chicken cross the road? Who would know?
Excuse me, sir. Must ask you a question. Why would the chicken cross the road?
To get on the other side.
Why
Why not?
did the chicken cross the road?
I have no idea.
Why did the chicken cross the road?
Oh! To get on the other side.
I don't know.
Get to the other side.
To cross from the other side?
To get on the other side.
To cross from the other side?
To get on the other side.
Sir, may I ask why you're cleaning the front of your car?
Cars tend to get dirty around this time of year.
That's a good answer. I really had to think on my feet.
Do you have a problem with chickens?
Only when they're crossing the road
But why would a chicken cross the road?
to get to the other side.
But what is on the other side?
You just better stop putting your face where it don't belong, sweetie. You're gonna get hurt. Get out of here!
I had to find out what was on the other side. It turns out this wasn't the first time a chicken attempted to get to the other side and failed. April 20th, 1999. A chicken by the name of Jimmy was crossing the street and was hit by a car. June 12th, 2004. Clucky Henderson, one of the more famous chickens, was attacked by a gang while crossing the street. October 31st, 2011. A man dressed up as a chicken was shot and killed while crossing the street. It looks like chickens just aren't meant to cross the road. But I'm not satisfied. I need to find my own answers. I need to do my own research. just as I suspected.
KFC. Why did the chicken cross the road? To get on your plate.
We are the first dating website to match you solely by disability, and I've got to say I am so proud of that. So take the first step and sign up.